This is my Wake and Bake series where we start the day with something hot out the oven. If you want to stun on your friends and family this Easter, go ahead and make this Vaca Frita breakfast casserole. Bring beef stock to a boil, then add garlic, thyme, salt, bay leaves, and your beef. I use chuck because it cooks down moist and isn't too expensive. Braise for about 2 hours until the beef is fall apart tender, then remove it from the liquid and shred it thoroughly. Add garlic, black pepper, oregano, chili powder, cumin, a little sour orange juice, and lime juice and zest, then mix it in. In a separate bowl, crack your eggs. I ended up needing a dozen for this, then add black pepper, cayenne, salt. I wanted to use half and half, but I didn't have any, so I used heavy cream and a little water. Mix that until it comes together. In a pan over medium-high heat, add your shredded beef and let it sit for about 5 minutes to sear and develop a crust on one side, then top that with sliced sweet onions. This goes quick, so you have to watch it. Stir it so it doesn't burn until the onions are caramelized and the beef is like half fried hard, half tender IDK. Set aside some of the fried beef. Until the rest, add fresh spinach, bell peppers, and scallions, then mix around. Add frozen hash browns to a large oven-safe pan or baking dish and layer with the Vaca Frita and eggs. I added more cheese too. Bake at 360 for 35 minutes. Top with the leftover Vaca Frita and bake for another 10 minutes. Rest for 10 minutes before serving. I topped this with cilantro and lime juice and this was fire. Recipe on my newsletter at yardygalcuisine.com.